how to install the Galaxy Note 8 Android Pie update right now. The link for this video will be in the description. Samsung is planning to release a Galaxy Note 8 Android Pie update in 2019, but Galaxy Note 8 users who can't wait that long can download an early version of the software right now. Android Pie is in beta for the S9, the Note 9, and Samsung is testing the new software on several other devices behind the scenes. The Galaxy S9 Note 9 will be the first Android Pie in the new One UI, but the company will also push Android Pie updates out to the Galaxy S8 and Note 8. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 probably won't take part in the company's Android Pie beta program, and the official release is probably weeks, if not months away. That said, if you don't want to wait to try Android Pie, you don't have to. The Note 8 Android Pie update has leaked out ahead of its official release. This is official software from Samsung, but it's not the final version of the update. This means that it can and probably will cause issues should you choose to download it on your device. Warning, if you are alright with a crude version of Android Pie and Samsung's One UI, here's how to get the Android 9.0 Pie update on the Galaxy Note 8 right now. As of right now, the Note 8 Android Pie update is limited to models running Snapdragon 835 processors. You must have the correct model to run this software. If you've got an Exynos powered Note 8 in your possession, you will have to wait. If you don't know which Galaxy Note 8 model you own, you can use an app like CPU-Z to quickly figure out the model and processor. Before you start the installation, make sure all the data is backed up, because there's a chance something goes wrong during the installation process. You can do this via Samsung Smart Switch or Samsung Cloud. Once you've determined you got the right Note 8 model and you backed up your data, these instructions from XDA developers and follow them step by step. If the instructions don't make sense or you're feeling uncomfortable with the process, you'll probably want to skip the install and stay put on Android Oreo. Again, this software is based on Samsung's Android Pie beta and is plagued with issues. If you install this early software, your device might crash, lag, and some of your core applications might not work properly. If you rely on Galaxy Note 8 to get you through a day of your work or class, you might want to avoid it. If you're on the fence, here's a few reasons why you should and shouldn't install the version of Android Pie on your Galaxy Note 8. Impatient Galaxy Note users who don't want to wait until 2019, those who feel uncomfortable installing leaked software. Who shouldn't install Pie right now? Anyone who feels uncomfortable with the process, those who hate dealing with problems, those who don't know how to properly downgrade to Oreo. Samsung will continue testing the Galaxy Note 8 Pie update behind scenes, which means we could see more stable versions of the update emerge ahead of the official release. Galaxy Note 8 Pie update. 5 reasons to get excited and 3 not to. Get excited for bug fixes and enhancements. If your Galaxy Note 8 is struggling on Android Oreo, you should start getting excited about your move to Android Oreo. Here's why. We don't have an official Android Pie changelog for the Galaxy Note 8, but you can expect the update to bring bug fixes, enhancements, and security patches. Some of these changes will come from Samsung itself. Others will come from your carrier. Carriers always tack on their own fixes and enhancements to major updates like Android Pie. Last year, Android 8.0 Oreo brought improved speed and security for Samsung Pay. It also made improvements to Find My Mobile and Samsung DeX. Major Android updates have also been known to fix issues like several battery drain issues with connectivity and performance problems like freezes, UI lag, and random reboots. So I told everyone, I think I told you like in March, early 2018, that the Galaxy Note 8 had all the software, all the power just about the Note 9 has. It's basically the Note 9 is a Note 8.5. without the Bluetooth enhancement, without the bigger battery, and the larger screen. That's pretty much it. Everything else is almost identical. So once they give you this Android Pie update, you could use your Note 8 pretty much for, I would say, an additional 5 years. I would, because it's just that good. And the bug fixes, is really no bugs to be fixed, and the enhancements, they're gonna make the Note 8 top notch once again. You'll see once it gets this update. But you guys don't have to wait. You can do it right now. The choice is yours. But carefully read this article again. The link for the video is in the description. Share this video on social media and subscribe.